Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new Nook that my wife purchased from Kohl's when she had the 30% off coupon toward the purchase. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so I'm not sure which Nook that she purchased. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the Nook 9-inch Lenovo tablet. Lenovo Nook. Nine-inch HD display, quad-core processor, all-day battery life, thin and light style design. The chipset is MediaTek, and then you have the Dolby Atmos. Wow, pretty nice. I can just slice it out. There's a camera right here. It's only at 8 megapixel. The 3.5mm jack right here, and then Type-C speaker grill on both sides. Must be the up and down, and then the power. Not sure there's a memory card right here. Powered by Android. See what else is come with it. There's an eject tool right here. This one's a Lenovo Tab M9 Quick Start Guide. Safety and warranty guide. So yeah, it seems like you can insert like a SIM card and then a memory card to expand your storage. And this is the charging cable and charging adapter. So this one has 5 volt 2 amps, so it's a quick charge. And you got the USB Type A to Type C charging cable and adapter. And nothing in this section, so. So for this model, it's just a memory card. It uses a micro SD. Well, anyway, she had to set this up again. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one as always. Peace.